Very good morning to everyone. Welcome to all of you. Today we're going to discuss about the syllabus of class 11 physical educations. So first of all, we're going to start the theoretical syllabus. So there are the two part. One is theoretical, one is practical. So theoretical part there will be the 70 marks, and practical part there will be the 30 marks. So theoretical part there will be the 10 topics, but there will be some changing in the syllabus. So I'm going to announce the topic. First unit topic is changing trends and career in physical education. This is the first unit topic. So there are five subtopics are there. So after that we're coming to next topic is Olympic value and educations. So there we're going to discuss about the Olympics, symbols, objectives, etc. There are four subtopics are there. Then we discuss about physical fitness and wellness and lifestyles. uh, there are three subtopics are there, and then we'll discuss about the CWSN, children with special needs. So here we discuss about the objectives of aim of adapted physical education, then discuss about the Special Olympic Bharat or Paralympic, a Deaf Olympic, etc. Then now next one is unit 5 is yoga. Yoga is mainly, this chapter is mainly for the practical part. So when you're going to take a practical, so you have to give a viva on this chapter. This chapter is mainly for the practical. You have to perform the yoga and say about the benefits and contraindications of yoga. Okay, and the next one is that next unit is physical activity and leadership training. Physical activities, leadership trainings, this also is very interesting topic. Here we have to uh, learn about the adventurous sports, rock climbing, trekking, river rafting, mountaineering, surfing, paragliding, etc. And also we have to learn about the safety measure and prevents. And move on to next one. Next one is a test, measurement and evaluation. So here we have to just learn about the calculation of BMI, and then know about the somatotype of human being, etc. Next one is a fundamentals, anatomy and physiology and kinesiology. So this one is very important. The, this topic mainly for the science related topic. Here we have to know about the anatomy, physiology and kinesiology, and then functions of systems, and then learn about the equilibrium of the, talking about the physics. uh, then next topic is psychology and sports. So psychology is here we have to know about the define and definition between the growth and developments, then discuss about the adolescents problems of their managements. And the next topics, and last but not the least, is training and doping in sports. Training and doping in sports, here we have to discuss about the principle of sports training, warming up, what is lumbering down, then what is skill, technique, style, and then discuss about the provided substances of the side effect of doping, etc. So there are the topic for the theoretical part. So there are 10 topics, 10 chapter for theory, and next one is a practical marks. For practical there will be the 30 marks. So have you seen this one, that marks already is given? So practical fitness test, this is for compulsory for everyone. Practical fitness test for 6 marks. And proficiency in games and sports, so you have to choose any games out of football, basketball, volleyball, etc. Whatever the that available in the school. So out of this, anyone you have to choose. You have to show the skill of the game. This is for the 7 marks. And then yoga practice, that already I have told that before, that yoga part, that you have to go through that yoga chapter. You have to show some yoga pose and say about the benefits. This is for 5 marks. And then record file, you have to maintain one record file. That I'll give you record file later on. So record file, you have to write some things. You have to write about the record file, level of diagram of 400-meter track and field. Then write about the BMI from family or neighborhood, whatever respectives of data, 10 BMIs. Right. Then level of diagram of field of equipments of any of game you have chosen. This means that suppose you have chosen the football, so you have to draw the football field, and then write about the equipment, write about the history, write about the terminologies, write about the skills. Okay. So then after that, next you just go through the current national awardees. For example, Dronacharya Award, Arjuna Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. The current awardee's name you have to write. And then same thing as already told about that, you have to give the presentation of any 5 asanas improving the concentration. So you have to write any 5 asanas, that write their procedure and benefits. Okay. And pose. This is for your file making for 5 marks. 5 marks for record file making. And then after that, Viva is 5 marks. Viva is question asking from the games, whatever game you have chosen, asking from the yoga, okay, asking from the health, asking from the book. This is the type of test, Viva test. So there will be the practical marks for 30 and theoretical marks for 70. So this is for the syllabus for 11. So here again I'm telling about the theoretical. There are a lot of topics, but all topics we are not going to follow, because there are few topics has been deleted from your syllabus. That I'll tell you when I am going to take a class chapter wise. Okay. And after each chapter, when you get over your chapter, each chapter I'll going to give a MCQ, and then I'll give you a sample question that will follow for your all exam, talking about your first unit test, your half yearly, second unit test, your annual exam. Okay. So this much today's if you having any doubt any in this syllabus, you can tell me. Okay. So thank you very much, all of you. Any doubt, you can tell me.